Welcome to the Elecrow classroom. Today we will show the graphic control operation. First, create a new project. Rename the project name and select the corresponding path. Select M series and 7-inch size. Add a background image. Select the graph control and add it to the page. Set the position and size. Set the basic parameters of the graph control. Set the number of sampling points according to the space of the curve. Set the orientation of the display. Set the size of the curve. Then start setting the function of the button. Here we want to display sine wave. In the internal command, select the option of sine wave. Copy the generated directives into the settings. Similarly, set another display button. Select Sawtooth Wave to generate instructions. Copy the generated instructions into the settings. All settings are complete. Let's see the effect. When pressing different buttons, the graph control displays different curve screens. Different curve display can also be realized through instructions. By setting different parameters, the displayed curve pattern will be different. Please have a try. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you next time.